Welcome back to Full Scale. I'm Tristan Minton, and today we're going over our custom stash box. These boxes feature a custom frosted matte finish with glossy V-hits, all printed on holographic to make this whole box pop. These boxes pop with tons of contrast. This thing is eye candy all around. This box is just a great example of what we can do for your company and your custom packaging. From the fully custom Bic lighter to the fully custom hat pin and the decked out rolling papers with, again, the glossy V and matte finish. These things are incredible. Hemp papers, printed crutches, the full package for your rolling kit. Items like this create an incredible unboxing experience for your clientele. Our goal is to make something that jumps off the shelf, and this is just an awesome promotional piece for us to show you guys what we can do for you. We all know there's no way getting around the best lighters in the biz. Gotta have a Bic. And of course, we're a custom Bic wholesaler, and we love to help you with your next project. Unlike most of your other packaging companies out there, we have a full in-house design squad and printing facility. We understand the ins and the outs of the industry, so getting your project done with us is a breeze. Once you're ready to make your life easier, hit us up. We'd love to help with your next custom project. From stickers and labels to boxes and mylar, if it involves designing and printing, we'd love to help you out. We create custom supply chains for all of our clients, from big to small. Whether you need weekly pallets or a single order of pop tops or boxes, we'd love to help. We designed this stash box with ourselves in mind. We wanted something we could slide in our pocket that can go on the go, represent our company, and be useful. Everyone out there loves a custom Bic, rolling papers, and a custom hat pin, all in a convenient pocket-sized travel case. And we'd love to show off our skills for your brand. So let us tackle your next branding project. With our in-house design team, we can streamline all projects from start to finish. Our best salespeople are some of you out there who have used us in the past. We appreciate the word of mouth and hope more people can check us out like that. Being focused on the industry the past 11 years has given us an unfair advantage over the never-ending changes and adaptations only a company like ours can offer. We've grown and matured with the industry. No one can make up the time and knowledge that we've put in. We understand the roadblocks and ways to help you grow no matter the budget. We can help the littlest guy grow to be a monster, and we can help the big guys grow to run a seamless MSO servicing several states across tons of SKUs, and we help make that a breeze. Through our process, Full Scale becomes one of your most important assets. We understand your company, your branding, and where you're trying to be on the shelf. Let us know about your next packaging project. We'd love to give you a free quote or bid on that. And in the meantime, hopefully you can get your hands on one of our cool stash boxes.